Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. No Mnikezi Mtungwa namhlanje. Mnikezi Mtungwa, what went wrong today?
Everything went wrong. You went wrong. No, ke nagana hore coach ya rona e lebetse hore o coacha Pirates. O nagana hore o coacha Pirates maybe ba rekileng go temu. Di phoso tse a di etse season e thoma wa di pheta no. Una le di players tsa gagwe. Una le di tactics tsa gagwe. O etsa di substitutions tse wrong. Dipapadi tse dingwe o ba lahlile wa ba lahlela a ke itse hore go kae batho ba tshwanang le bombatha le bomagopa le bombule so o ka re ndate o lebetse gore o coacha Pirates sheba mo o baneng mbule o betera a dutse benching and the gaming ya Sundowns amkenya le umkenya every day you change your defense every game defense ya change and I etsa di substitutions untsha batho sa swantse o rabantshe a tlogele batho swantse o ra sa batlogele nagana hore o tswile jwang a ntsha makhaula a ka ntsha mariko o batlang untsha hoto o ne a zama hampi o ka ntsha ndaba re ya mtsiba hore ke yena ane a le regular until le bapala le Sundowns so o ka runa le batho ba tshepang ba bangwe ba tshepi a ke itse coach ya rona batlang yona e re jizitse ene ke Pirates ye ga etsagala hore mo officing ba mshebile o etsa hantle himpa is an egotist u arrogant ngesilungu manje uyasidlisa uyasiqeda mfowethu lokho angizukhuluma izinto eziningi ucoach uyasiqeda ubuka ama penalty usibisi kube nzima ukuthi eshaya amanye amaphasi ngiyambona uzama ukushaya amafastera kulamalanga kodwa amanye ukucisha be3 namhlanje ngiwabonile ethi washaya opponent kodwa manje ucoach ukuthiwa akaqala eshaya ipenalty yokuqala mawuthi uyabheka o3 lama defender agejile asithi siyawazi amakhona ama defender kudala omabhedi nomabuza ababeshaya ama penalty kodwa usibisa akazange bayishaya ipenalty akaze ngimbone mhlambe wawayishaya training manje ile inkinga sinawo kushayiswa abantu abarong bashaya iceleni bonke alikho igoli elivinjwe ibhola elivinjwe leyamfana uchain uzamile likhona ibhola kalivimbile manje hayi ngathi siyadlala la sisasebenzi manje yeah
Bagani a quick one score prediction against Kaizer Chiefs ngi Saturday.
To tell the truth,
Yeah.
I don't know now because you know they need to work very hard in order to motivate these boys because now we've lost 2 games. So there is a possibility we can win, but there is a possibility that Chiefs can also score 1 goal and we lose. So with the prediction for Saturday, I am no longer sure. I as a supporter, I want Pirates to win, but I can't predict because now the spirit is very low. Unless what you can do something during the week and motivate these boys. Yeah, but don't let them smoke something to motivate them. No, he must motivate them. Yeah.
All right. No, thanks Bagani.